Hello, welcome to my video resume. My name is MD Al Amin. I am studying software engineering students at Daffodil International University. I am currently 9th semester. My educational background, secondary school certificate in 2017 at Kaligons Bonawali Institution, and diploma in 2021 from Bangladesh Polytechnic Institution, Rajshahi. Throughout my academic journey, my development solid programming skill, uh, noting proficiency in C, C++, and Java. I am also has had on experience working with database and utilize algorithm for problem solving. I am comfortable completed specialized training in digital marketing and graphics design. My professional work experience with the e-commerce platform, Evali, and affiliate marketing. My highly interested in artificial intelligence and aspirants to pursue a future career in AI development, creating innovative solution that make a difference. Outside of academics, I am enjoys traveling to explore new culture and nature with food. My passionate about football for teaching my discipline, teamwork, and how to stay calm under pressure. Mm. My commitment to continuous learning and my eagerness to grow as a developer. Thanks for watching my video resume.